Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 26 Berm Drive located in Cumberland, Rhode Island. This is a beautifully updated, renovated, 3-floor, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom unit, part of a duplex here in this nice, quiet community neighborhood here in Cumberland. And we're going to begin our walkthrough here on the second floor of this unit. The ground level just houses your main entryway to the unit, the on-site laundry, and leads to the 1-car attached garage that you have available with this. But as you head up to the second level, you're greeted by your kitchen space and living area. Let's check out the kitchen first. So very stylish kitchen here. You've got plenty of cabinets down below and up above for lots of kitchen storage. A stylish countertop, of course, wraps around the other appliances. And you have lots of outlets along the walls for plenty of other kitchen plugins you'd like to have. The appliances in this kitchen are all stainless steel, very modern setup. You have the large refrigerator, 4-burner stove and oven. You have the built-in microwave up above that, the single bin sink, and dishwasher. So very stylish, modern kitchen setup. It looks great. Flipping around, I'm going to check out the other side of this main space, which is basically going to be used as your living area. As you can see, houses a gorgeous hardwood flooring. Beautiful paint job throughout this unit too, all freshly painted. Lots of outlets in here for an entertainment system, TV, what have you. Wide open windows, lots of sunshine coming into this unit. And those windows right there give you some great street views. And overall, just a pretty opportunistic space. There's a very wide open layout in here. So that's basically your living area. Next, we'll check out the rest of the second floor before heading upstairs. You have the half bathroom wrapped around the corner next to the kitchen. Got tile flooring in here. Wide open sink setup over to the right side. Large mirror up above. And over to the right of the dishwasher, you'll notice this back entryway. It actually leads to a small private balcony over here. Has some great views back here. Perfect for a couple lawn chairs. And like I said, awesome views all the way around. Cool. So let's go ahead and check out that third floor. So the third floor basically houses your full bathroom and the 2 bedrooms. Some other details with this unit, of course, like I said, you have on-site laundry and plenty of off-street parking basically for 2 to 3 vehicles. But you also have central heat and AC throughout this unit, which is also a huge touch. So let's begin by checking out the smallest of the 2 bedrooms. This is right around over here. So, got a carpet flooring in both of these bedrooms, and even with this being the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, you should be able to fit a queen bed set in here, no problem at all. Some wide open windows, lots of sunshine once again, gorgeous paint job. This bedroom does house its own closet space, of course. Good amount of outlets. And like I said, this being the smallest bedroom, you still can fit a queen, no problem at all. So that's pretty huge. Next, let's check out the bigger of the 2 bedrooms. This bedroom actually houses a brand new carpet flooring. It's brand new, just put in. And again, fresh paint job, wide open windows. Actually, you got some street views through this bedroom. So beautiful lighting in here. Lots of outlets. I'd say plenty of space in here for a king, queen bed set. King should be able to fit, queen should be able to fit. Really, any bed set you'd like to have should be able to work in this bedroom. Got this side over here. A little bit more space for other pieces of furniture. Again, good amount of outlets. And real quick, I'm just going to showcase too. This bedroom actually has a pretty decently sized closet too. Lots of racks for some additional storage to this unit. Awesome. Last but not least is the full bathroom. Full bathroom houses a stylish tile flooring once again. And over to the left side, you have this dual sink setup over here. Large mirror up above, some bright lighting. And over to the right side, you have the full tub and shower. You actually have a jacuzzi tub set up in here too. So that's always pretty cool. Very unique setup. Awesome. So once again, this is 26 Berm Drive, located in Cumberland, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.